Hi friends, it's me, Silly Miss Lily. And we're so excited because today we're gonna do some really fun Valentine's Day crafts. It's gonna be so much fun, come on. First craft we're gonna do is this really fun little heart stamper, and all you need is a cardboard tube that you can squish into a heart, and then you can stamp it in some paint and stamp on your paper. Let's do it together. Let's stamp some hearts together. We got some cardboard tubes and kind of folded them into a heart. Let's stamp, stamp, stamp in some purple paint. Stamp the heart, stamp, stamp. Let's add some purple hearts. And how about some red hearts? Stamp, stamp. This is a great card.
Hey, could you help me through this one?
Ready? Okay. You give it a nice squeeze over here.
Do a nice little squeeze.
And then you can stamp all over. Make as many hearts you'd like, as many different colors as you like.
I might need to do a little of this and a little of that.
Oh yeah, get in the mixing, girl. These are gonna be cute cards.
Yeah.
And these could be for anyone. It's like mom, dad, grandma. You know, you can even make cards like these and then cut them out and make like a garland for Valentine's Day to kind of decorate. What are you doing there?
I'm all done with this, mine.
Perfect.
Look at mine.
Wow. Okay, we'll let this dry. Here's a beautiful Valentine's Day card. You did that. Wow. I love it. Here's mine.
Can I get the colors of it?
Yeah.
This is my painting. I made this. And this is Mom's painting.
Wow. Did you love it?
Yeah.
I loved it. Let's make another fun craft. Now let's make a fun pop-up card like this where somebody opens it up. Little hearts go peekaboo, peekaboo. Wow, let's make it together. To make our pop-up card, all you need is a piece of paper, and you can fold it in half. And then on the folded part, where it kind of hinges, is where you want to create a couple of cuts. So we'll make 1, 2 to create a little flap. And let's go 3, 4 to create a second flap. So you see how these kind of flap open? Those we want to pull inside. So I'm going to pull them in and kind of create another fold. And then if you want, you kind of fold them in to give them a little more structure. And so on the outside, it should kind of look like this, like a castle tower. But on the inside, when you open it up, these parts will pop up. And that's where we're gonna attach some hearts. So you can do little hearts. Let's see, maybe a little pink heart that pops out. You can do a really big heart. How about we do one big one and one little one? So we'll put a little glue. So when somebody opens it, they'll go, whoop, peekaboo hearts. And then if you want to kind of cover up this outside area, you can use another piece of paper. And we're going to create like a book cover for it. So we'll place this inside. So now on the outside, there's no more of those holes. But when somebody opens the card, it's a pop-up little heart. Boop. Peekaboo heart. So we'll fold it in half. And then what you want to do is cut some lines. I'll do 4 lines because you're going to want to get these little flaps. Then we're gonna open it. And those flaps, you can kind of push out.
The glue warms out.
Yay, perfect.
I'll grab it. I'll do one first.
So once you push them inside, they're gonna be able to open. And then on the little poppers, you can attach some hearts. Nice job. So on the pop-up now, we can attach a heart. And so when we open it, it's gonna go pop. Okay, looks like you gotta put a heart right here and then you'll have it.
Here.
You wanna add some glue? I'll put it here on the edge. And so look at this. You ready to see your card?
Mm-hmm.
And then if you wanna cover up these holes, you can use another piece of paper and glue it on here. And so on this side, it'll look like no holes. And then when you open it up, pop-up, pop-up.
That's good, probably.
Okay, and here's the card. So you can open and go, boop, peekaboo heart, peekaboo heart, peekaboo heart, peekaboo heart. Yay, we did it. Next craft we're gonna make is a little hug in a card where when someone opens it up, they get to receive your full hug. And we'll just make some hand stamps, measure out how long your hug is. So when they open it, whoa, they get a full hug in a card. Let's do it together, come on. This is our hug in a card where when someone opens it, they get your cute hand stamps and they can stretch them out into a really big hug. And we wrote, roses are red, violets are blue. This is how much I love you. So first we did some handprints that we painted. We cut those out. And then we'll need to measure how big your hug is. Okay, we've got one handprint. All right. So to measure a hug, we'll grab a ribbon. So let's see, hold one side with this hand and then extend your arm all the way out like that. And then this one, all the way out, all the way out. Okay, come over here. And so this is how big your hug is. Well, your arm length. So then that's how long you can wrap it around, and I'll cut it there. On each side, we'll attach your handprints. So it looks like you're extending your arms with your handprints, and then we'll put that in the card. So when somebody opens it, they'll see, whoa, stretched out arms for a hug. And this is a great one to give to anyone for Valentine's Day or any special day. But it's also a great one if you have somebody who lives far away. You can like send a hug because you're sending this long stretch. So let's see, we'll add one.
Can I do the other?
Yeah. Let's see, let's extend this all the way out so we can see it. There it is. Okay.
No.
So all the way on the edge, put your nice, beautiful other. Yeah. Okay, yay.
I'll just go.
I like that. So let's see. I think the middle is right here. We'll put this right in the middle.
So then it's like a hug.
Yeah, we'll kind of fold these in. And I can write, roses are red, violets are blue. This is how much I love you. And when they open it, boom, this big hug from Paisley appears. This is how much I love you. Whoa! And so then to gift it to someone, you just fold in the hug.
Mm-hmm.
Boop, boop. Boopity boop, boop, boop.
So,
And then when you gift it to them and they open it, they go, what? A giant hug? Whoa! Let's just do a fun free craft because it doesn't need crafts are just for fun. So if you just have paper, you can do stickers, hearts. What about pipe cleaner hearts? This would be a nice one for like hot glued on here and then you can paint inside.
I can paint the inside.
Yeah. With stickers too, a really fun activity you can do is if you scan it and print it, Then you'd have a piece of paper with all the stickers, and then you take the actual stickers to match them. And so it makes a really fun, kind of easy activity to do of any stickers.
Mom, why not like go through some activities we've done so far and add them all and put them all together for this? And also just fun stuff too.
Sure.
It's like our own stuff and some things we already did.
Yeah.
So this will be a card.
Cute.
And maybe we should like maybe
You want to try painting it in here as like a border?
oh yeah.
Yeah, go for it.
Mom, I have a fun idea to make something.
Tell me.
Tell you how it is?
Yeah.
We'll make a shape out of pipe cleaners,
Okay.
and we won't have glue it. We'll just put it down, so then I can paint the inside, and then we can lift it up.
That sounds really cutesy.
I'll put a little paint on the back.
That's really cute. You also asked about puffy paint earlier, and I thought, hey, this is a great craft too. Put some puffy paint on?
Yeah, I'll just put some there,
Yeah.
and then I'll put a little. Oh, I better put this on here. Oops. Put it on here, and then I'll do a little squirt.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
here
really
and a
cute.
little there. I'm just spreading it around.
Cute.
So
Is
this
it glittery?
Yeah.
Wow, that's extra cute.
Can you see the glitter in the bottom?
Oh yeah, that's great. I like pre-crafting. Wow, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for crafting with us and making so many fun Valentine's Day crafts. I hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily.
And Haley.
And I'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.